my food!
You're not affiliated with me.
What?
You're not affiliated with me.
Excuse me?
You're not affiliated with me.
Are you saying I'm stupid?
You're not affiliated with me.
Do I look stupid to you?
Well, yeah.
Because, said Mr. Incredible.
You're not affiliated with me.
This is the 15th take. I cannot work like this. I will be in my trailer.
Yes, says Molt, and
The birds eat the grasshoppers. Hey, like the one that nearly ate you. You remember? Oh, you should have seen it, Molt. This blue jay, he has him halfway down his throat, okay? And Hopper's kicking and screaming, okay?
way to go, Molt, says Mr. Incredible. Go for it, says Mr. Incredible.
And I'm scared. Okay, I'm not going anywhere near, okay? Oh, come on! It's a great story! Ow, 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 ow. I swear, if I hadn't promised Mother on her deathbed that I wouldn't kill you, I would kill you! And believe me, no one appreciates that more than I do. Shut up! I don't want to hear another word out of you while we're on this island. Do you understand me? I said, do you understand me?
You're not affiliated with me.
Dummy Hopper, says Mr. Incredible.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Well, how can I answer? You said I couldn't say another word. Doc, remember Mom!
Well, what's this? Hello, girl.
The birds eat the grasshoppers.
Yes, way to go, Molt. Go for it, says Mr. Incredible. Yes, says Molt.
The birds eat the grasshoppers. Hey, like the one that nearly ate you. You remember? Oh, you should have seen it, Molt. This blue jay, he has him halfway down his throat, okay? And Hopper's kicking and screaming, okay?
See, says Molt.
The birds eat the grasshoppers.
Are there a bunch of little girls in this one, too? Hello, girl.
Yes, says Molt.
The birds eat the grasshoppers.
Yeah, says Molt. And Hopper's gone, and
This blue jay, he has him halfway down his throat, okay? And Hopper's kicking and screaming, okay?
then dum-dum, 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 and Hopper is never seen again. Ha ha, the end, says Molt.
Oh, come on! It's a great story!
The end, says Molt.